What's up? Back in the Bat Cave to show you one of the most innovative products grown at home in West Virginia. Good friend of mine, super cool dude, probably the nicest, most down-to-earth grower you'll ever meet. Dave and I go way back to the early days of Pepper Lovers on Google+, one of the first members, and really probably one of the two reviewers that were around at the time, and the only ones we would watch. And I was introduced to his powders slowly as they evolved, and it's really been amazing. These are my go-to with dinner. These stay in my kitchen, the regular stuff. We're here to try some of his new blends for dessert. They include sweets, and it's pretty amazing. Wait till you see what's going on there. But these are his some of his original stuff, which these are the only things I keep in my kitchen. They're always there. Nate's Rush, which is Nathan, his son, which helps out a great deal in the business and everything Dave does. Here's La Cuesta from, this is, he calls it the blend that started it all. There's Jordan's Jazz. This is Jordan, his daughter, which is our daughter also. But she's the videographer, and she's very good at it, and everybody has a part in the grown at home reimagine. This is awesome. This is what he calls a hot sauce version of a powder. It's really amazing. Whatever you put hot sauce on this, pizza, amazing. And here's something he called House Blend. I don't have a label on it. And this large one, this is Jill's Spice of Life. I had this and I fell in love with it, so next season he saved the size, this huge jar for me. It's actually labeled Batman's jar somewhere there. Gotta work on this lighting for this stuff. But tasting powders, I first tasted just regular powders, and I always thought somebody should make some pepper powders with more than just grounded peppers or smoked peppers, whatever. Boom. Here comes Dave with these amazing and just genius powders. I'm going to read some ingredients on this. This is Dream Maker. That's a nice reddish color. It's a raspberry powder, white chocolate, hot peppers, sweet cocoa, and almond. Sounds awesome. This is Harmony Fields. Harmony Fields has contains strawberry powder, vanilla, white chocolate, orange zest, hot peppers, and almond. Sounds amazing already. Decadent Mountain. I seen Dave use this one. This one looks like a chocolate powder. I've seen him use on bananas and a few other things. Contains cocoa, unsweetened chocolate, soy, vanilla, Vietnamese cinnamon, ghost peppers, ginger, honey, vanilla. This might be the hotter one with ghost peppers. And like I said, Dave, super awesome dude. You won't regret checking him out, because his link is in the description for his website and also his channel. Has an amazing channel on YouTube, and please go show him some love. Subscribe, check out his playlist. There's pod reviews dated by year there, really amazing stuff, and food, you know, preparing with his stuff. So go show a playlist or two some love right there for Dave, and let's get some of these downstairs and try them out. I'll take these with me. Happy birthday, Dave. Hope you had a fantastic day. And here we are. I got some fruit. I got some mango, nice ripe mango, banana. Got some sort of little apple pie thing there, and a little ice cream with some berries the birds didn't eat. A little ice cream Jordan didn't eat. So let's see what we got. I'm gonna try all three of them. I hope I can take the heat. Let me just open the three. Again, this is Decadent Mountain, Dream Maker, and Harmony Fields from Grown at Home in West Virginia. Let's show Dave some love, if not for his birthday. Check out the website down below. Order some of his great stuff. A lot of his other great powders for regular food are there. Got one more. End up editing this. All right, so let's see. Let's start with Dream Maker. Dream Maker is the raspberry and white chocolate. It's the redder out of the three. Smells good. Let's see, let's start with mango. Let's get a nice little cover there. Dream Maker and mango. A little spicy heat. I think that really ripe mango is probably overshadowing the blend. Might need to go heavier on the banana. Alright. Yum. Oh yeah. Alright. Put it on this thing. It's like an apple pie, I think. Awesome. That one has a bit of low heat. Heat is kind of low, but still there. Nice, very comfortable. You can use a lot of this. Little ice cream and berries. Oops. You see, just ice cream alone, without the berries. This is vanilla ice cream. Oh yeah, man. I might put this in like beer or something. Coffee. Wow. Alright. That's pretty awesome, Dave. This is pretty good stuff, man. Wow. Alright. Let's see. Harmony Fields. This is strawberry and vanilla, white chocolate also. That's the one with ghost peppers. This one might need to go heavy also. Might have kept these in the attic too long. Alright. Tell you what. We're just gonna open this. Alright. Don't have a neck. Yeah, it got kind of hard on me. My fault. I had these in the attic for a while, and probably the intense heat. Just gotta break it up. Harmony Fields. Very good. A little more heat. A little more heat. Definitely. Here's someone banana. Yeah, I like this one. Forgot. Right. Stuff is great, Dave. Just gonna take it from here and go in the ice cream. Oh man. Awesome. Oh man. This is really good stuff, man. Brilliant. Brilliant idea, man. This one's chocolatey. This is the Decadent Mountain. That's mango. Alright, this one stay powdery. Oh, I forgot this, the ghost. Oh, nice and chocolatey. And the heat is good. Start building a little bit. Oh. This is great stuff, man. Dave, I'm so glad you made this, man. I'm telling you, this is going on coffee. And sorry, but probably alcoholic drinks. Some heat on this one. Still not overwhelming. You can use a lot. Ice cream's melted already. Whoa. Man. That's the ghost one. Dave, you really outdone yourself here. I'm gonna I usually send like samples with stuff I mail. Often I send Dave's as samples to people, and I won't be sharing these. I'm sorry. Oh man. Thank you very much for watching, and please check out the description. Go to the website, check out Dave. Get some of these amazing powders. Use code Batman. I'm kidding. I have no such authority. I'm sorry, but it's still it's great for the quality that Dave offers, and it's bringing. You won't find this stuff out there. Thank you, Dave. Hope you had a great birthday, buddy.